Myself is Syed AY and working with Classic Wheels Limited from last 6.5 years at the post of Head of Department for Maintenance. And we have installed this Sames Kremlin gun with Bell before 5 years, and it was working very well. If the performance is good, we are getting a good services from the Sames Kremlin. If we required any support from the company, we are getting feedback and help from the telephonic talk, as well as if in case we require some help in emergency, Sames Kremlin is definitely putting a person from our closest distance and getting the services very fast. No problem for the gun. The cost for the maintenance is very less. The most important thing is that the consumable for this product is very less compared to any other product.